We are now one of the world's slowest log flumes.
Yeah, I can't even what it's called.
Slow flume. Whee. Slow flume, and we've bottomed out already.
We have, yeah. 2
fat British guys sat on a log flume bottoming it out. But beware, there is a dangerous S-curve over here. Are you ready for it?
I am ready for the S-curve.
We're really not floating, are we?
No,
we
really
just...
Josh is there.
Yeah. How's your slow log flume experience?
Enjoyable.
Yes.
Nice and chilled.
It's majestic, don't you know? Oh, hello.
It's probably landed. Oh, a half-naked man playing football.
Oh, there you go. How's that, YouTube?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, are we going to make it round? I think we're doing better than last time.
Yeah, is that here we got stuck last time?
Yeah, last time we got stuck twice. It's not quite as intense as the Asterix log flume.
Oh, that's it, we're done?
Oh.
No, let's go. We're good.
Yeah, it's not quite...
The Asterix looks great.
Yeah.
Put up there with the Port Ventura ones, well, they're both very similar.
Yeah. Oh my god, we are scraping by.
Yeah, trying to shuffle us along with it, even that's not really working.
Yeah, I mean everyone's probably like switched off now. It's like... But if they haven't, they should hit subscribe. Oh god. Oh. So this is the turn that I got stuck on last time. So I hope can I just say another thing? The padding on the front of this boat is so heavy.
Oh.
There's a lot of padding. Oh, go on.
Yes.
Go on. Go on. Oh no, we've stuck. Oh.
Just about.
Nope, we're still trying.
There we go.
You say that, we haven't got to the lift yet. So we're going to go from super slow to probably quite a rapid lift hill. That is incredibly steep. Here we go. Oh, that was damp, and now we're capsizing. Oh, we've gone from scraping along the bottom to now capsizing. Oh, shit. Well,
don't rock the boat now, baby. Rock the boat.
That was that went from 0 to 100 quite quickly, didn't it?
Necessary, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh Jesus! Take it at a camber.
I wonder what the fastest lap time for this.
Oh.
Back in now. Drifting down the floor.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ!
Take the S-spin on this one.
Oh, here comes the big wave. As we're at what feels like 45-degree angle right now. Jesus. Hey! And the final speed. There we go.